good morning, everybody. BDRX has just jumped right now, guys, over 127%. Now we've got another target for it around the $2. This one is crazy, everybody. Testing an important level of resistance around the $1.64. We've got a target to go to is over or around the 179. How everybody doing? We've got a huge unicorn just escaped from the forest right now. We've got target for this one to go to, so let's get right to it, guys. This one is still pumping. Let's see if we hold over the 142. This is the current support that we ought to have a big buying pressure from. The other level we might have a reversal from is the 122. So let's see if we're gonna have a hold up or a pullback. So this is it. We've got a critical level to hold over. 142 PGY pull back. Now it's time for a reversal. FRGT the same. DJT pumped 5%. KTRA. KTRA is still holding the 19. So we waiting for a break from the 21 and the market open. Hologram AST is a maybe. Let us check if we got something might give us some action. Yes, TVGN just broke the support, so that's why we have this selling pressure. So I will pass on this one for now. Doesn't look good for now for TVGN. IVB, nothing. This one, nothing. So yeah, BDRX, let us tune for BDRX. After that, we see if we're gonna have a reversal for those stocks, especially KTRA, because it's still strong, still holding the 19. Let us see if we got another thing hitting the scan right now. PGY, we've got TBGN, we got ISON, maybe this one. Yeah, we have a reverse split for this one, 1 to 20. That's why jumping, but still on low volume, the same with BOV or BOF. Anyway, let us see BDRX. Let us see if we can have another reaction. What we got here, what we've got here. BDRX number one, PEGY. After that, TVGN, FRGT. Snap guys have a huge earnings. That's why jumping 25%. Neo 6%. So yeah, we have a huge day, guys. A huge day for the market, especially for those stocks. Anyway, let's go back and see BDRX if we're gonna have another kick. In the meantime, guys, hit the like button on the way in. Thank you for being here, and of course, share our live streaming. We always go live each day, so let's have a green day. And if you just tune in, remember our live streaming that we do here is for educational purposes. So we always do our live streaming, as we said, 30 minutes before the market open, and we discuss the market. We discuss especially the stock that jumping on a major news like BDRX and other pharmaceutical companies that have like phase 2 or phase 3 a good result. That's why jumping. We have merger or something like this, like big catalyst that make the stock jump 100%, sometimes even 1000%. For entry and exit from those stocks, we don't hold them overnight. So those stocks are for day trade. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. Good day. Let us see. Stunk time in 24 minutes. Oh, man. Let us see if we got stock that have this split coming up. Okay, April, iSun have a reverse split 1 to 20, ZVSA 1 to 10, ATXI 1 to 75. Reverse split, guys, split ratio. CDTX have a reverse split the day before on the 24. We've got many stocks got the reverse split, guys. SMFL, if you remember, GSUN, WISA got reverse split 1 to 150, GRRR 1 to 10. I remember all those stocks, guys. We already trade them. Pele, we've got Rent. All those stocks have volatility because they got a reverse split. ATER 1 to 12. So all the stocks that have recent split now. Let us see 24. Reverse split. Forward split is mean split, guys, is mean this one. Yes. 4 splits, and we have reverse split. Reverse split is mean the price going from usually below the $1 over the $1. And forward split is mean the price going from 1,500 toward less. Usually those stocks do the split in order to make the share less expensive for the investor to trade or invest in those stocks. So split is kind of more better indicator for strength for the company than the reverse split. But reverse split sometimes give a really good kick for mini stocks. So it's not that bad sometimes, the reverse split. So don't take it as this in a fact that the price if have or the stock have a reverse split is bad. No, is not. For IPOs, we've got a new IPO right now for RBRK. We got YYGH. It was on the 22nd of April. Big stock that we traded before. We have MNDR, guys, on the 10th of April. This was successful, for my opinion, the best or the most successful IPO for this month in April. MNDR, for my opinion, did 400. Look at that, guys. From the IPO, 500%. This is by far the best return. The number one IPO for this year, even, guys. Look, from 2023, this is the only one. MNDR have a good return, 500% from the IPO of the 10th of April. So just 2 weeks, 2 weeks, MNDR did 400%. After that, we have RYZB, 250% return since September. So it's not that crazy like MNDR, just 2 weeks, but few months. CAVA, this one is the same, is not that crazy. Kind of, it's not that crazy return. Yes, it's good return if you want to compare it to the blue chip company. We have upcoming IPOs. This one today, I think we have Zone, guys, Clean Core Solution. This is today. The other one is in May, VIK, Viking Holding. And the other one in 3rd of May is KMCM. Those the new IPO. Let me just check Zone if we have just chart for it right now. If it's here on TradingView, or we wait until the market open for today for trading this one. Zone is there, I think. No, it's not there yet. Let me just check the other IPOs. RYZB, because have returned almost 300%, could give us 400% like MNDR. RYZB is not there. Let us check this now, though. CAVA. CAVA. Wow, this one is a bit expensive now. 63 from the IPO. The IPO was for CAV back in June, and the IPO price is $22 and now 62. Look at that. MNDR from $4, guys. IPO price now 23. 4x or almost 5x the price, man. Crazy. And look at that. Look at that. IPO $22, now $62. And we went until even the 71 for CAVA. So this one even have a good earnings. Look at that. This one really good, guys. CAVA. There's someone still loading up on this one. But now the volatility is less. Anyway, let us go back to BDRX. PEGY, nothing much. FRGT, nothing much. DJT, nothing much. So yeah, BDRX, this is the only one. How everybody doing? Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Hit the like button on the way in. Hit the like button on the way in. Don't forget to hit the like. Hit the like and join our live streaming for today. Yeah, it was good trade, brother, for MNDR. It was a really great trade for MNDR, everybody. BDRX was trading down and down and down. It took how much after we got shorted here on the 28th of September? It took almost 1 month, guys, for BDRX to squeeze again. Almost a month. Almost a month. From the end of March until the end of April. What a crazy short, then boom, squeeze. Let us check share float for this one. Share float, this one is hovering around, is not available. Okay, let me just do this. Boom. Go to Yahoo Finance. Let's see. Here, revenue, we have, where is the share float for this one? Share outstanding, we have Share float percentage is 4%. Share shorted almost 190. The float is 1 billion. Yeah, the float is 1 billion. So it's a bit high right now. BDRX 158 jumped from the just 70 cent, and we waiting for the $2 for today. We're gonna have a squeeze. We might have the $2, everybody. Yeah, the $2 should be a target. PEGY started to reverse 12% now. FRGT, we've got something as well for FRGT. KTRA still holding the support. PEGY started to reverse. We have to tune in to PEGY because it started to reverse, everybody. As we discussed earlier today here, we discussed at our live streaming. We said the 65 or 0.065 is the support. We discussed the resistance. We said is the 0.090 pullback. And now we have a reversal. The reversal started around the 7 cents. So yeah, PEGY looking good for a reversal. BDRX looking good for another jump near around the $2, guys. The current resistance coming up is the 179. Got 10 minutes left on the market open. Hit the like button, guys. Hit the like button on the way in. Good afternoon, John. Good afternoon. PEGY started to pump. PEGY started to pump again. We've got the big seller, guys, around the 0.094. There is the resistance. This is it. And there is the support. Let me just check. Let me just check if we, yeah, I think we are about to have, we got the market, how long, how much time we left here? Yeah, market holidays, I think we have market structure. So I think in April we don't have any time off. There is no holidays in April. In January we have two holidays, New Year's Day and Martin Luther King. February we had Washington birthdays. March we had the Good Friday. April nothing, guys. So we have April and August, those 2 months, no rest for trading session here. In May, we have Memorial Day on the 27th. And in June, we have this thing. and July, that thing. Yeah, so April and August, where the market never closed, and October, even October. So 3 months each year, we don't have a day off, at least for the US market. In Europe, I think we have a lot of holidays. Anyway, PGY did a really nice reversal, and BDRX is still jumping, guys. This one could be a really big gainer for today because we have a new high around the 170. 170. No, it's not a new high, but this is the resistance now. DJT really good, 3% in the pre-market. So we have just 4 stocks, guys, right now to watch on the market open. Hit the like, everybody, hit the like button on the way in. We always go live each day on our YouTube here, and of course on our special community, the loving community here on our Discord and Patreon. Join us, guys. If you want to have access to Discord, you have to have access to our Patreon. Once you join our Patreon, you're gonna have access to our Discord. I'm gonna send you the invite link, everything you want to know. If you joined, you have the King and the Elite, both of them really good because you have access to the requested stocks, and you have access to watch list every day and swing trade. And Elite, you have one-on-one meeting. The same for the King, you have one-on-one Zoom meeting, but once, just one time. But for the Elite, you have each month. You can schedule a meeting with me to discuss your portfolio, how to be better traders, and this is the best way if you want to improve your trading. Plus, you have Elite 1 day swing trade that we do once per week or two, depending on the setup. And of course, you have the live alert. What does mean live alert? Is mean once we finish this live streaming, guys, you could go there on the Elite request and you request whatever stock you thinking about. Like right now, we have one of our elite hunter asked about back, or he said back is boom because we already discussed the breakout here yesterday. So you see, we have many requested stocks from our hunter during the market open. So if you want to have more alerts and live alerts during the market open, you can join the elite. So here the link, guys, for our Patreon and Discord. And right now we're still watching for BDRX, guys. BDRX looking pretty nice. Let me just check here what's going on. We've got 5.55, man. This is not coincidence, man. Once I saw the time, I saw 5.55. So this is a sign from the gods. Tell us that today we're gonna have a green day. So BDRX, we have 5 minutes left, and BDRX is on the top list for today. Welcome, whatever. If you just join here or if you just tune in, we watching BDRX for the top gainer with PEGY, TVGN, and KTRA. And BDRX, as we discussed, we have the support target now 179. Before even the market open, we might hit the 179 because this is the resistance. After that, the $2. Countdown, guys. Count down to the market open. We have to have a drum roll. Any drummer here? Is there any drummer watching our live streaming? We have a guitarist, but we don't have a drummer to make the party. If we want to make the party, we need a drummer. You might asking why we need a drummer. We need a drum roll for the market open. Wow, this is a big thing, man. This is a big thing. We might have a squeeze with DJT. Wiser is up. Someone said Wiser is up. Where's Wiser? Yes, I put it on there. Yes, it's up 3%. Nothing much, brother. We're still below the 844, so nothing much. BDRX, nothing much. Is pulling back. PEGY, DJT still, KTRA still. So yeah, BDRX and DJT looking pretty nice. We need break the 170 now on the market open. So this is a clear sign of seller around the 170. Yes, we've got the target around the $2 on the market open. After that, we've got 224, 259. Let's see if we're gonna hit the $2 on the market open. This would be perfect for BDRX. I know there is no perfect in life. Perfection is illusion. Everybody, perfection is illusion. Chaos is the reality. Okay, 3 minutes left or 2 minutes left. Oh, brother, 2:22. The first time I checked the time, I saw it 5.55. Now is 2.22. Tell me this is coincidence? No, man, it's not. Again, let's get right to it, guys. Let's see what we gonna have for today. I think we're gonna have a nice market. Today, we're gonna have a really good market. Nice hunt for yesterday. We have a nice gain from our hunters here. Travis just took his profit. We have Coplis Moplis B took her profit on NKGN. String picking the same yesterday for safe and green. A nice hunt for our hunters from yesterday and today. Let's see another gain, guys. Hollow earnings out yet? Good question. Hologram earnings, not yet, I think. It's not visible here, but we'll see. BDRX, guys, is about to break the 170. This is the target that we should break on the market open if we're gonna have haltation. We want to have a haltation up. Remember, guys, disclaimer before the market open by few seconds. Remember, our live stream is a bit delayed, so don't follow me blindly. Do your due diligence. We're not a financial advisor here. So always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. And remember, we always do our live streaming each day, 30 minutes before the market open on YouTube. And before that, if you want to have early access, join us on our Discord and our community of hunters, where we discuss the market live and make the gains together. And of course, we do short analysis, daily update, and swing trade, guys, for mini trades that we do before the market close to hunt and take profit for those trades. Last time we did it was for ALGN. So let's get right to it, guys, and hunt for BDRX. Now BDRX is about to break the 170. Let's see if we're gonna go toward the $2 support. 142, guys. 170 is the resistance on the market open. Let's have a green day. Let's see if we're gonna have a green day for BDRX, guys. BDRX is squeezing. No, it's testing. It's testing still. Flushing now. Not yet. Okay, we have this trend, guys. We hold. Let's see if we BDRX. Guys, BDRX, I think we're gonna have a flush here. KTRA broke the support, not that good right now. PEGY looking pretty nice. BDRX, I think we're gonna have a flush if we broke this trend, guys. It looked dangerous. It looked dangerous, like Michael Jackson's song. It looked really dangerous right now for BDRX. If we broke here, we're gonna have a flush. If we held, we're gonna squeeze. This is it for BDRX. Let's see if we're gonna reverse right now because this candle didn't close yet. We let us give it some time for BDRX to reverse. This is it. PEGY still holding, but yeah, between heaven and hell. FRGT, hologram, Sizu, IFB, nothing much. WISA, nothing much. We've got BFRFH, nothing much. Yeah, so let us go to BDRX. BDRX is squeezing up, guys. We held perfectly over our support, trying to have another high over the 170. If we broke the 170 now and held over it, this means we're gonna see the $2. Otherwise, we're gonna go toward the 142, then the 121. This is it for BDRX. We test again the resistance, but we didn't break. So I think it's game over. Could be game over right now, guys, for BDRX. Yeah, I think it's game over here. So BDRX, I think is game over. The short added around the 170, broke the support. PEGY, nothing much. DJT is pulling back down. We almost hit the 42. Now it's pulling back for DJT. DJT we already traded before, guys. We already did a short analysis update for our hunter here to discuss DJT. I think back. Yes, here it was on the 18 once the price was around the 29, and now it's 39. It's getting near the 42, so yeah, it look pretty nice. Nice, not night. BDRX is hold it, guys. Hold it down. BDRX, I think, is halted. PGY looking pretty nice now. Okay, back. We have back is coming back here on the haltation list. BDRX is halted. Man, we've got mini stock got halted on the market open. AILE, we have NWGL, we've got Air or AirJ, we got NWL, we've got back EXYZ. Let us check all those and see which one. Wow, Snap got shorted big time, 2%. Are you kidding me? No, 25, still 25%. Nice. Still holding the gain. Still holding the gain. And I think we're gonna have, yeah, we have a nice support here for Snap. Google jumped on good news as well. Huge earnings. Of course, everybody loading up on AI news. So, so we got AILE light on volume, just 6K. This one 2K. This one is dead. NWL looking pretty okay. 8% jump. Back is halted down, guys. It's game over for back here. It's going down big time. 24%. And this one is game over. So this one could be good for today. NWL, if it broke the $8.23. But this one jumped on earnings, so I'm gonna pass and hold it down right now. BDRX is still halted, guys, after not managing to break the 170, so it's not good for now. We'll see if we're gonna reverse from the 142, so there's a chance for entry here over the 142 for a reversal. PEGY still below the 9 cents, and DJT is pulling back. So it's not that exciting opening for the market, to be honest, guys. FRGT is kind of strong now. This one is the only one, guys, that could be good for today. FRGT, everybody looking pretty good for a squeeze. Yeah, FRGT, we've got a nice reversal here, almost 18%. It's 39% and it's still holding the gain. So FRGT could be good for a huge jump for today. Okay, so this FRGT, we can't trade it, is only for sale if you want to close it only. So BDRX just broke the support, guys. A huge flush is not good anymore. So now we have the 121 as a reversal for BDRX. So we come back to PEGY, guys. This one could be good for today. The rest is kind of weak, so I will watch PEGY for squeeze from the 9 cent, because BDRX just got shorted big time here. Big seller, guys, big seller just added their position around the 170. You know, short seller, when they short, guys, they short with a high conviction that the price have to go down. So short sellers are more experienced traders because they enter on the perfect entry, guys. They enter on the perfect entry around the 170. So they willing to lose just 2% or 1%. This is how they make money. And you know how much they made right now? That's why they covering 18%. This is how they trade, man. Short seller are really smart. PEGY, this is the only one that could give us some some gain. So PEGY, we have to tune in to PEGY, everybody. This is the last one. This is the last trade or last hope for today, because the market is unforgiven today, guys. Unforgiven. Okay, BDRX is still holding. PEGY, let me just check PEGY if we're gonna have squeeze up, otherwise we're gonna squeeze down. Yeah, we might have a squeeze down for PEGY for today. DJT, nothing much, it's pulling back. FRGT is pulling back. KTRA, hologram. Let us see if there's something else because everything is pulling back right now. Neo 7% for today. Not bad for today, really. Really nice performance. Okay, nothing much. SBFM. We've got RILY, FNGR, EGX. We've got Moolen. Let me just check. Guys, the stocks that is dead, I will not cover them right now. Okay, so I'm gonna check the stock that's been requested here. The good one I will keep, otherwise I will not check them. Like SBFM is dead, so I don't have to check it. Or RILI, oh, looking perfect. This one look perfect, guys. This one looking good. We have a breakout from the 3490, and this one could really squeeze for today. Yes, this one could do really nice jump for today, guys. Yeah, this one could be the one to watch. 38, we've got 12%, 37, 56. So RILI looking perfect. FNGR not good, light on volume. Moolen looking good, and EGX looking not good. So Moolen is looking perfect, guys, looking good. We already reversed here from the $3.11. Resistance still around the 411. 465 and 525 is the profit. RILI looking really great right now for a nice jump toward the 42 and the 52. Yeah, this one looking really interesting right now. Let me just put a support just in case there around the 31. So RILI, I'm gonna put it on the list here. RILI plus Mooden. And check PEGY. Yes, PEGY looking perfect. PEGY looking interesting for a squeeze. So we got PEGY, we've got RILI, maybe BDRX. So yeah, those the one that we should watch. PEGY is the number one now for a squeeze up. Yeah, weak market, to be honest. Yes, exactly. Not a lot of opportunity. And IVF up with volume. In IVF. Yes, in IVF. Jumping right now. Jumping right now. We have a support for it here. And of course there. So this one could be good as well for today. In IVF, we've got a target for it around the $2. This one could be really good for today. Thank you for bringing this up to us, brother. Dan, both updates. BOSS. What do you mean by both update, man? You mean the what stock you want to update for, man? Guys, hit the like button and the way in. RILI, nice. We have a nice squeeze for this one. Okay, RILI looking pretty neat. RILI looking pretty neat. PEGY is getting near. Let me just add the support for this one. We've got the 77 as the support. Nice. We got NIVF looking interesting as well. PEGY, RILI. Okay, this is the one that we have to watch, I think. Those three. The top three guys, PEGY, NIVF, and RILI. NIVF looking pretty good here. It's getting near a resistance with PEGY. CGC. 10% for CGC, guys, hitting the profit taking. I'm gonna lower CGC here with the list that we should hunt for today. CGC looking really good right now. CGC 10%, guys. Let me just go to CGC right now. CGC. Yeah, this one looking pretty neat as well. CGC. Hallelujah. Happy Friday, everybody. And RILI. Yeah, this one I really like, man. It's getting near a major profit taking. CGC already hit our profit taking here. The 955 now is going toward the 987. The breakout happened around the 930. PEGY, guys, alerts is about to squeeze right now. PEGY. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Don't forget. For Mara, nothing happened, brother. Dan, just put the alert or just put the chart. Just copy the chart right now. You have the orange line, the support is the red line, the profit is the green line. 2030 resistance. So we don't break it. So why we should do update? We don't have to do any update because we don't break the resistance. So now just put alert around the 2050, which is the breakout for the resistance. Another alert just below the 17 because this is the support, and profit taking 22.25. This is it. Right, the same. There is no update because we're still below the 1311. So nothing changed, brother. Nothing changed. The idea that we only do update once we break a resistance or support. We don't have to do update every second if we don't break it. NIVF, nothing much. CGC still pumping, guys. CGC is still pumping. Remember, guys, we always go live each day to warn you about alert for the market for entry and exit here. This is the short analysis update that we do every day after we finish this live streaming. We're gonna do update every day, day trade, swing trade, crypto trade, And of course, watch this and live streaming every day. If you want to have access to those, all the alerts, you can join our Patreon. After that, you could have access to our Discord. So what you waiting for, guys? If you want to have early access, because the market opened really early, guys. Sometimes the market is sleepy, so it's better to trade in pre-market to have much more chance to capture the gains. This is how you make the probability work with you, not against you, by trading early. This is it. We'll put the link right now again, just for a reminder for anybody to want to join our Patreon or Discord. Again, CGC to the moon. CGC is going to the moon here. We have CGC is going moon landing 980, 970, 981 right now. Is going really strong. CGC, everybody, is going toward a 987. This is could be a really good profit to exit for CGC right now, guys, because here we might get rejected. We might get rejected easily around the 9 something. 987, yes. Now 982. Rejection coming up at any time. Yeah, it's gonna hit it. We're gonna hit it. 783. 783. 88. Nice. I think I'm gonna exit right now, guys. We're hitting the major resistance, so I'm gonna exit right now. 789, 787, this is it. We're gonna have a pullback. VIV, nothing. PHY, still nothing. Mullen, still. BDRX, still pulling back. KTRA, flashing. So yeah, nothing happening in the market right now except for those PEGY, NIVF, CGC, and maybe this one, RILY. It's really hard to pronounce, man. Riley. Let's say Riley. Riley. CGC is still squeezing up. CGC still squeezing up. Okay, there is no pullback around the $9.87. That's why we squeeze it up again. CGC, we might have another moon landing to this one. Yeah, CGC is the one, guys. CGC is the one for today. Is going. Is going. I think the investors are smoking weed right now and trading CGC. They just loading up on CGC and smoking. PGY will squeeze after we break the 9-4. Again, brother, this is not a financial advice. Don't take anything I say as a financial advice, brother or sister, whatever you are. Now it's pulling back. Yes, this is a major resistance now. NIVF, nice. Hit our profit taken out of the $2, guys. Make sure to take profit there because here we might have a pullback for Riley. NIVF is hitting our resistance and now it's pushing back up toward the 211. CGC is still pushing up. PGY pulling back down. Riley is pulling back down. Yeah, before even testing the level around the 42. Guys, hit the like. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way in. I know everybody is have like a gold. I don't know what's there's a study been done about this the people attention span or something like this is they said is less than 10 seconds. So that's why I have to remind everybody, man. I have to remind everybody to press the like button because we don't have the focus. We have to remind ourselves to do this and do that every day. Otherwise, we're gonna forget what we're gonna do. Even though human being been like we've been under evolution for since a lot of thousands of years, but we still have a flaws. We're not perfect. That's why still there's monkeys trading apes and trading AMC and GameStop. They have the genetic gene of monkeys. So apes is still inside our DNA. Sometimes it's good to be an animal, guys, to think less and just live the moment. So sometimes it's really good to be an animal, to go back to nature. Abhi, no man, you can't decide, brother. You can't decide. Is inside our DNA, brother. This is science. We more alike. We more like the ape and pigs than bulls. We are really far from bull, man. We're not alike. It's not what you want, man. It's not what you want. Is already written in your DNA. So this is a fact. You can't decide this, man. It's the same with the market. You can't decide if the stock will go up or down. You can't. The market will decide. It's not what you want, man. It's what the market wants. It's the same with the relationship. It's not what you want. It's what the girl wants. So always think about the other side, the other person, what they want. Because if you're gonna be selfish and think about yourself, you never go far and you're gonna be disappointed. I learned that the hard way, man. I learned that the hard way. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. PGY pulling back, NIVF, nice jumping up. CGC is still pumping. RILI, not bad. Still holding the 31, so there's a chance. Okay, BDRX getting near a nice support here. If RGT game over. Hologram, nothing much. AMST, light on volume. This one's the Zoo, light on volume. So it's not ready for today action. Not ready for today action. Why is maybe I'm gonna take those stocks from the list is mean they're not ready for today. KTRA, not ready. Hologram, not ready. DJT is okay. I'm delisting the stocks, guys. I'm delisting those stocks from my list. Yeah. CGC, guys, this one is under influence of weed. Nice. Dan it's out from CGC. Great hunt, brother. PGY, nothing. This one is still pumping. CGC is still going to the moon. We still have moon landing for this one. Yeah, still going toward the 1050. What's your favorite thing I say? Thank you for the reminder about Snap, brother. SBFM is pumping. Let me just check if it's still on our list here. SBFM. Nope. I took it. SBFM. SBFM. Yes, it's pumping, but no thank you, man. It's pumping from the bottom. So yeah, still not real pump, man. It's not real pump. It's like the pump that you get after going to the gym after 1 day or 2 days. You think that you have a biceps, but when you go back home, there is no pump. The pump will like deflate. The same fake pump. PGY, nothing much. And IVF is still looking strong. So we have two strong stocks, guys, in IVF and CGC. JAX, let me just check. We have a lot of stock that we traded before. They kind of pump little. For JAX, yeah, still looking all right here for escaping from this trend. Yeah, we have a nice trend here to break for JAX. So JAX, maybe we keep it on the list, guys, for the stock that could do something and give us some gain. So I'm gonna put JAX for the maybe list because now still there is no action yet. CGC is still pumping. BDRX is testing the support 121. Yeah, CGC and NIVF looking pretty nice. PGY pulling back. Yeah, big seller still around the 0.095. Oh boy. Oh boy. Booba. Trump media. Oh man, Trump to make major announcement next week. This mean DJT have a nice catalyst for the next week. So yeah, still on our list. Thank you for the reminder, brother. How everybody doing? Yeah, today we got kind of high action in the pre-market, early pre-market, then price pullback for many stocks. After that, the market open, we don't have really great action, guys, because once the market opened, short came in and pulled back BDRX and many stocks. But the other ones were unexpected. Those ones, they didn't jump in the pre-market, but on the market open. CGC and NIVF. Those two just pumped on the market open. So it was unexpected turning event for today market. We don't have like a nice like a follow-up from the pre-market. Usually we have follow-up from the pre-market, the stock pump and good news in pre-market, then pump again and the market open, which is the best case scenario because we be preparing for those stocks. Like BDRX, guys, it was really good entry. And of course, a pump up. This one was the best rate if we have the breakout from the 1.70. That's why we want everybody to exit here, guys, around this breakout down. So you always have to have exit strategy, because if you don't exit, guys, look at this. Price pulled back on new 20%, and now you'll be kind of in the middle of ocean with a little floating boat without food inside, and you waiting for the rescue, and you don't know when. This is the problem of holding the stock once the dump. It's like you are in the middle of the ocean and you're waiting for the rescue without any food even. So you have limited time in order to be rescued. So the same here. You have limited time for a big market maker to buy to save you and make money. Otherwise, a big whale or big shark will come to eat you, and you go to sink in the bottom of the sea. This is the scenario that we don't want to see here to anybody. TUP could be good to watch before the earnings. Yeah, TUB was good before, and let me just check if it's still good now. I think it's still good. It broke the support 120. Now the resistance turning to support. Yes, sir. The bottom is here. Yeah, already watched this one before. Yeah, TUP may be good, but I don't like it for now because there's no action yet on it. PGY is still not ready. CGC is pulling back a bit. And this one is pulling back. Pullback zone right now for many stocks. BDRX started to reverse. Okay, the Navy come to the rescue, guys. The Navy is coming to the rescue. GME, let us check GME and AMC for today. What's going on with those two? Okay, GME is started to reverse from the bottom, the $10, so it's not bad. AMC is still near the resistance, so nothing much change technically for both of them. Finally, CGC is pulling back a bit. Let us hit the 50 likes, everybody. We almost near the 50 likes for today. Today is Friday, so let us make a party. Early party on here. Yeah, of course, we don't have to wait until Friday to party, guys. This is a really not good, a good advice to anybody to live their life fully. Every day should be a party, guys. But it's kind of hard, you know, when you enter the routine of doing the same thing every day. And this is kind of sad to live in this kind of way of living, you know. Routine is good, but you have to break it in order to make memories, you know, because once you enter a routine, you could not make memories. Making memories only happen when you do something outside the routine or something unique in order to engrave it in your brain. So routine is good to do sport, eat healthy, accomplish things, yes, but doing it like for years is not sustainable and is not good for creativity and doing something outside the box. So yeah, life is not rigid, it should be flexible. That's why I have to break my routine. Even eating healthy every day is not good, so I'm breaking it. I eat pizza sometimes, sugary thing. We only live once, so we have to enjoy the moment. Strive to be happy. String picking, happiness is overrated, man. It's impossible to be happy every day or every second because we have kind of thought coming inside our head. We can actually control it. Negative thought, good thoughts is always come in your head. We are human. So being happy, like happiness is kind of is really impossible to accomplish, even if you are have billions. You have kind of few hours to be happy one day, then you go back to the same state of wanting more or needing more. So happiness is overrated. Even love is overrated, man. Everything. The best way if you want to be happy or you feel loved or something, you have to need nothing. You don't need love, you don't need love or money or even food in order to have everything. So yeah, happiness is overrated, love is overrated, everything's overrated. So yeah, enjoying the little things, but now everybody wants the maximum thing, you know? They want the big shiny object every day. They want kind of 50 shade of gray in love with something like this. Like partying every day or drink or have the maximum enjoyment. That's why if you want to read a book, it's really impossible. Wow, and IVF broke. In IVF is strong, guys. This one is really strong. You know, string picking, the best way to be happy is to do something you lose time with it or you be in the zone. It's like when you're playing a song or jamming, you forget that you live in the time and space. You be in timeless frame. So this is the secret to be happy is to find something to lose time with, you know. This is the best way. That's why it's really lucky for people who have found something that you really enjoy at the same time make money out of it. This is the best way to live your life because if you work and you do what you like at the same time you lose time by doing it, is mean being in zone, is mean you got the Goldilocks of happiness. But the trick here, a lot of like people do sport like tennis or basketball or football, they hit the Goldilocks of being in the zone and being happy. But once they retire, man, most of them they get in the zone of kind of like worthless. They feel worthless or they feel like their life is ending because they can't actually do sport anymore. So it's really tricky to do sport and find some meaning in sport because sport is limited, you know. You have to do it like for 10 years, 20 years, then you have to retire early, like around 30, 40. Then you have to find another thing. So for the sport is really devastating, you know. That's why a lot of footballer, man, when they retire, they started to cry because they know once they lose this one thing that gives them joy, they feel empty inside. Oh man, golf is good because golf you can do golf even if you're 100, you know. I'm talking about football, or like if you play on elite level, you know. It's kind of it's kind of sad. Just look for any video right now. Go on YouTube and look for any footballer or tennis player who just retired or like lately. They all cry, man. They all cry. And I can feel it, man. Once you retire, the life is ending. It's game over. It's really sad. PEGY is still holding NIVF, CGC, RILY, nothing. The good thing about trading, guys, you can do it even you are in the hospital in the deathbed. I'm gonna do trading even I'm like 101. Like a lot of people ask me like, are you gonna retire? Like I told them, why? Why should I retire? There's no reason to retire, you know? Because if you have money and sleep, what's the reason of living? Enjoying your life and drinking, there is no meaning of that. Clayton, yes, gratitude. Man, the idea here, I forget to have grateful day, to be like grateful whatever I have. That's why every weekend at least I remind myself about what I accomplished, what I have, the community that I built. So this is give me some kind of perspective and baseline about not forgetting where I come from and where I'm going, you know? So every weekend I'm trying to remind myself. So guys, let us remind ourselves before we finish our live streaming about how grateful I am by having this community. And thank you guys for being one of our traders and one of our supporters here on Discord or Patreon, or even by liking our live streaming. I couldn't imagine what like a life without having you guys trading with us every day, every second of the way. So even if I have the opportunity to exchange my life with another universe, I will never change it for a million or billions of dollars, guys. So thank you guys for being here, for giving me this privilege to share my knowledge with you guys. And again, this is the day to be grateful. So this is the best way to be grateful is by be thankful for you guys for being here and being one of our subscribers or one of our members on Patreon Discourse. So thank you guys. Exactly, String Bacon. Exactly, man. Edison, you are welcome, brother. Wow, and IVF, man, is crazy. Let me just check this one. For STI, yes, light on volume, but doing all right. But yeah, guys, we have to wrap up our live streaming because nothing changed right now. Just for in IVF and CGC hit a wall over the $10. So we have to call it for today, guys, because now the market is kind of sleeping. We're gonna do update later on, guys, for NIVF target, PEGY, of course, and the other stocks on our Discord. So if you are one of our member here on Discord, we're gonna do a short analysis update later on for entry and exit for mini stocks as usual, as you can see here. If you want to join us and have access to those live alerts, you can join us on our Patreon here. You're always welcome, guys. You can join us on the King or the Elite in order to have access to Discord. And of course, I'm gonna put the link to make it easier for you guys to just go there directly and subscribe. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for having a great day with us. Hopefully you enjoyed your weekend with your loved ones, because every day is really important to spend a really valuable time with your family. And see you guys back on Monday. Remember, we always do our live streaming each day, every day, guys. Every day we do our live streaming 30 minutes before the market open and 2 hours on our Patreon and Discord. Stay safe and stay blessed. And thank you for watching and see you by Monday, everybody. Cheers.